Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do my recipe for southern cornbread. I did try for a long time to get this perfected, and I think I finally did. So wanted to share it with you. I was also making potato soup. I've already uploaded my potato soup recipe, so I didn't go ahead and include that, but I am trying something a little different on it. A YouTuber I was watching said that she uses half potato and half cauliflower, so I'm trying that in my potato soup this time. But I did want to include the recipe for the cornbread. In the bowl, I already have a cup of cornmeal and a half cup of flour. I have a quarter cup of oil getting hot in the oven while it's preheating at 450, and it is in an iron skillet. And now I'm going to add 1.5 cup of milk and an egg. So we'll go ahead and get that in there. Okay, and we're just going to mix this up. I'm going to use a little bit of matter. I'm going to make bread. I'm going to just put on the with a little and I've heard the bake. Okay, so now you can just tilt the pan, swirl it around to get the edges where the sides coated. Okay, then grab a spoon. Just pour it right in. And now I'm going to pop this in the oven. It's going to bake about 18 to 20 minutes. So as we get near that time, I will bring you back. Okay guys, as you can see, it's pulled away from the sides nicely. Got a nice crisp edge. What I'm going to do now is put it on broil just to brown the top a little bit more. And then it'll come straight out of the oven. Okay, it looks yummy. Now the next step you don't have to do, I do just because I saw my grandmother do it, and that is just coat the top with some butter. Okay guys, so here it is plated, and it is delicious with potato soup, or here in the South for a snack we like to just get a glass of milk and crumble cornbread in it. Very, very yummy. So I hope you guys have a great week this week, and I'll be back next week. Bye.